my name is Pamela Puja Kirpalani. I'm an NLP trainer and life coach based out of Singapore. Today we're going to be talking about how to build trust, engagement, and deeper connections through your non-verbal communication and your body language during online meetings. So let's begin. So because 55% of the communication that we have with others comes from our non-verbal communication and body language, we might be wondering, well, what signals are we sending out? What messages are being delivered across the camera, especially that now video has become the default. So number one, eye contact. Because eyes can easily be monitored, always keep your laptop or your phone at eye level, horizontal eye level. And even if that means you need to put some books to lift up the laptop, do that. Try and maintain eye contact with the camera as much as possible when you are speaking. Allow yourself to, of course, look out for what the other people are saying, and then you can focus on their faces. But while you're speaking, look directly at the camera. Secondly, position your body not so that your face is too close to the camera. Always allow your upper torso to the top of your head be shown. This signifies that you are taking the meeting seriously. It's as if you're in an actual face-to-face interaction, and that way people can also have access to your gestures, that they are able to see how your hands move. And one really important thing about using gestures is that your gestures should never go above your shoulders, because that can make you seem erratic. And try and use open palm gestures when you're speaking, because that builds rapport and connection. It actually opens up the other person's mind to being a little bit more amiable towards you. Third, when speaking, always have a slight pleasant smile on your face. You don't have to have the full Cheshire smile, but have a twinkle in your eye and a very light smile. And as other people are speaking, tilt your head. Tilting your head shows that you are interested in what they have to say, and also nod. So that shows that you are engaged in the conversation and that you respect and you're hearing what the other person has to say, as opposed to just keeping your head straight and fixed like this. Another technique that I use when somebody else is speaking is to actually lean in a bit while my head is tilted, to show that I'm engaged with the person who is speaking. This is very good for you, especially if you are in an online interview. It shows respect to the person speaking. They see you're engaged. They immediately feel more amiable towards you as well. Now, be careful with your gestures. Do not allow your hands to go anywhere close to your neck, your chin, or your nose, because psychology says that anytime you touch this part of your body and above, it shows that you're uncomfortable, that perhaps you don't trust the other person, or you're feeling a sense of disinterest. So be careful of that. Lastly, as tempting as it might be when you receive a notification or you're feeling a little restless, try not to look side glance at your phone or look down at your phone, because that signals that you are not engaged, you're not interested, and you're not really respectful of the call that's happening. At the end of the day, when you show interest, when you show respect, you're going to get it back tenfold. So, signing off now. Hope these tips were useful.